What's good, people? It's your boy Steph. I'm coming to you with a new video on how to eat healthier and make a green smoothie. And just stay tuned. So what's up, people? As you can tell from the title of the video, I told you we're gonna be making green smoothies today, and I'm gonna show you a little bit of what I usually eat in the morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off by showing you the ingredients of what I put in my smoothies, and then I'm gonna also show you the other stuff that I eat with my smoothie. It's not much, but I still want to show you anyway. So let's get this started. Sorry for the mess on the table, guys, in advance, but this right here is what's going in the smoothie, and this is what I usually eat. It's just 2 pieces of toast with peanut butter on them. It's low-calorie bread and some healthy peanut butter, and I also use a banana. I eat a banana too. And then this is pineapples, but what I did, I froze them. I froze the pineapples just because when I make the smoothie, the mangoes and stuff, they are not frozen, and the actual spinach, this is spinach if you didn't know, it's not frozen also. So to get that more colder feeling without putting ice in it, you could just freeze your fruit or whatever you want to use. You could just freeze it, and it makes it better. It makes it taste better, and it also makes it colder. Start off first. I'm starting off with the spinach, and I'm putting 2 cups of spinach in there, and then I'm gonna also throw water in there and blend that first. You always want to blend it first before you throw your fruit in there, because you don't want to have a lot of green chunks when you actually get to the finished product. You don't want to have a lot of green chunks, so it's always nice to put the water, put 2 cups, pack it down though. Don't just throw it in there. Don't just throw it in there, because like if I just put them in there and then it is loosely packed, it'll probably look like more, but if once you pack it down to the bottom, it probably will be less. So make sure you pack it down and make sure it's 2, and then put the same amount of water in there and blend it first, and I'll show you what it look like. So here you go. Before I blend it, you can see that the spinach is at 2, and the water is also at 2, but it kind of doesn't look like it. But just know I usually put the same amount of water that I have the spinach at. So if I put it at 3 cups, I'll put 3 cups of water, and so now it's at 2, and I have 2 cups of water, and then all we gotta do is just blend this first. So now that you see that's all nice and blended, now it's just time to add the fruits. I'm gonna go ahead and add the frozen pineapples, mangoes, and then today I'm gonna actually add my banana instead of eating it by itself. Okay, so I've just added all my fruits. You could take an overhead look. You see the frozen pineapples at the top. I also threw about 3 big slices of mangoes in there, and then a whole banana in there. So now all we gotta do is just mix it. So here you guys have it. This is the finished product. It actually, once you add all your fruit and everything, it comes out to about 3 cups. So if you just want like 1 cup and then you want to save the rest for later, you could just throw it like in a small container bottle, whatever you have, and put it in the fridge or whatever you want to do with it, or take it with you. So I'm gonna just go ahead and pour some in a cup, and if it's not cold enough for you after you still freeze all of your fruits and everything, just go ahead and when you put it in the cup or anything, just throw some ice with it. Hey, like always, it comes out great. It might look nasty or whatever, but it always comes out great. I enjoy it every time, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. Give me a like. Please subscribe. I'm gonna have more videos coming just like this, more nutritional things, and also some workout videos coming up also to show you how to get a fit body. And like I said, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you enjoy the green smoothie once you make it. And right now I'm about to just enjoy the rest of my breakfast, and I'm out of here. Peace.